This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Western Henrico. More specifically, I am off the Parham Road corridor, and today we're going to take a look at a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome. This townhome is new construction, and we have obviously a new community here. They have a sister community that's not far from here, and these homes really caught my attention for a couple reasons. Number one is because they're new, and everyone likes new stuff. Number two, they have done some amazing things with floor plans here in this community. I've been in countless townhomes before, and typically in this size range, there are 1 or 2 floor plans, and that's pretty much all you get. Here, you're in for a real treat. Okay, as we come in, we have an awesome open floor plan. A couple things really caught my attention here. We've got some beautiful dark floors, and the upgrades in here just really stand out. Of course, they pay professional designers to come in and really make these models shine. This home is definitely no different. The openness is just really dramatic in this home. Here is our powder room, and it's actually a good sized powder room. They've got some really neat decor in here. One of the things I like about this floor plan, not only do we have our space here for our dining table, we have this huge island, and you could probably get 5 or so chairs here. So a great place to congregate if you're entertaining, a great place to put out food. Of course, good looking stainless steel appliances and our pantry. One thing I noticed here is we've got a blue ribbon. This home obviously was an award winner for that feature. Okay, nice and bright here on the back side. Let's pop out and see what our rear yard looks like. We've got a concrete slab, as you can see. This is an end unit. End units typically command a premium, but you get the benefit of not having anyone there on the side. So that's a big plus. We do have a storage unit here, and you can put boxes and suitcases and little odds and ends that you don't want in the house right there. Now, here's a feature I wanted to explain to you. We only really see this on new construction. This little port here, it is for the pest control guy or gal, and they open that up and they can put chemicals in there. So if you ever have a need, they don't have to have access to the house, and they can basically come when you're not home. It is also safe for pets. You don't have to worry about pets getting into chemicals or other mishaps happening. So that's a really neat modern feature that we have here in this home. This is our heating and air and utility closet. As you can see, we've got an electric water heater, and I can tell immediately that that's a heat pump, and of course provides the heating and cooling for this home. Let's go on upstairs and see what we have up here. I just popped up and met Beth for the first time here a few minutes ago. She's been awesome as far as letting me know information here about the community. We're gonna kind of encroach on her space here. She's hard at work, and as you can see, we've got plenty of natural light here. This, of course, is the office, but when you move in, it would actually be your closet. So this would be a master closet here, plenty of space in there, and if that's not enough, you of course have one over here as well. So we've got 2 closets here. We don't see that very much in townhome communities, so that's a huge benefit. And our master, nicely appointed, got a pretty deep little tub there. Nice enclosure. We don't have traditional grout lines. Those look like they're really easy to clean, so definitely low maintenance. If you are a townhome buyer, that's of course very important to you. You don't have any exterior maintenance. All of that is taken care of for you. A convenient second floor laundry. We've talked about this before. You have clothes that can be cleaned right here. Don't have to lug them up and down the steps. Super convenient. I also noticed another feature here. We've got speakers there and a speaker over here. So whole house audio is really nice. If you're the type of person that just likes to move from room to room, you don't have to worry about carrying a speaker or radio or something else, your whole house would just simply be filled with sound. Okay, we are now in the second full bathroom up here. Each bathroom, of course, is dedicated to its own bedroom here in this floor plan. So that's super, super convenient, especially if you have people that don't like to share bathrooms. Plenty of natural light here, as you can see, flowing in through this back side. A space there for a little reading nook, and of course another walk-in closet. This townhome definitely does not disappoint. This community is starting just under $220,000, and it definitely would have affordable payments. You already know that 100% financing is available and all the other good benefits that potentially are available to first-time buyers. If you have questions about this or any other home in the market, my name is Max Williams. It would be my honor to help you. Be sure to please subscribe and to like, if you would be so kind. Be sure to tell friends and family about the page. I would love for them to also be able to take a look at these videos with us. Max Williams, 804-402-7788. Thank you so much for taking a tour. Have a great day.